It went right through his mouth and it still missed. There we go. Alright, Big George, I got another rat. You want to try again? George, where are you going?
He doesn't like it.
He's not hungry. He's got a bellyache.
He's sitting right in front of him. He can't see. All their vision is based out to the side. If I don't get it beside him, he'll miss it. He keeps putting it in front of him. Now, alligators are also being studied for their immune system. There was a lake in Florida that was contaminated, and only one type of fish could survive it. A type of carp. Well, anything that ate this carp, it destroyed vitamin B1 in the animal's body. Well, to the alligators that were eating this carp, it was causing little holes to form in their brain. They were becoming paralyzed, and they were drowning. Well, while scientists were trying to figure out what was happening to them, they introduced over 30 different diseases into healthy alligators to see if they could duplicate what was happening to the wild ones. Among these diseases were AIDS, staph infections we have no cures for, and even flesh-eating bacteria. Well, every disease that was put into the alligator's blood, the disease died. So they're being studied now to see if they may one day benefit us. Might be getting alligator blood transfusions one day.